A little cloud woke up one day and floated in the sky to play. She bounced around with puffs of white and giggled at the shining light. She swooshed past birds who chirped hello. She waved at trees that swayed below. She shaped herself into a bear, then stretched into a rocking chair. She drifted far across the blue to see what else she'd find to do. And when the sun began to set, she turned the sky to pink her best. Then softly with the evening breeze, she curled up over sleeping trees, a cozy cloud all tucked in tight. Good night, sweet world, good night. Good night, good night.